Hey everybody, check out what this is here. This is a socket blocker. It really doesn't give you much. Oh, here, it's got a picture of it on there. I'm going to show you guys what this thing is. This is just the coolest thing. If you're doing any kind of construction and painting, or painting your house, or having somebody paint it, you know, like the way people always paint over the sockets. Well, with this, you don't have that problem anymore. So check out this thing here. It comes with a million of them in there, about 30 of them in there. And it comes with these, and what this is it just tapes right over the socket. Let me see if there's a socket in here I can take you guys to try it. Oh, here's one. Here's a socket right over here. Oh, something's plugged into it, but I'll show you anyway. Let's see what's plugged in. Well, we're gonna unplug this. And then you can see what you do is once you have the outlet off, you just tape it on over the sockets, over that whole little contraption, and then you paint away, get paint all over it, who cares, doesn't matter, because when you're done, pop it off, and it's gonna look beautiful, just like new. So if you have a house and you're painting it and you see all those sockets and they get all dirty and stuff like that, it's because they need one of these things. Just a super simple, not very expensive little item, but it totally saves it. Like sometimes people will put tape over it and stuff like that, but you can just buy this instead and do it way easier. So this is the socket blocker. It says peel stick paint. Don't know if there's much more information about it on there, but this is what it is. There's a barcode for it, if that means anything to anyone. But thumbs up from me. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.